Hey there, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Katie and this is Louisiana Cooking and Living. And today we're making fried shrimp. I love fried shrimp. I don't make it very often. My dad this was his recipe when we were growing up. This is the way he would make them. And I am excited to make them tonight. It is something we do like for a special occasion, and today is our anniversary. So we are having fried shrimp. And I just thought I'd take you along so you could see how we do this. I'm not sure if it's a common thing in Louisiana. I have seen it around, but I don't know how common it is to do it this way. But I'm excited to show it to you. So let's just get started. All right, so I have, I think this is about 4 pounds of shrimp. I got these pretty big shrimp at the store. I did already peel them, and I've actually made some shrimp stock with it already today because I knew I could use that shrimp stock to make some seafood gumbo this winter. So I'm just gonna show you how to butterfly them. Everybody, I'm sure, can peel a shrimp, so I thought I'd show you how to butterfly it. So this is our shrimp. I am right-handed, and I'm putting the top of the shrimp towards my right hand. One in the frame. So I'm right-handed. I'm putting the top of the shrimp, like this side, towards my right hand. And I'm gonna lay him down. All right, we're gonna lay him down. We're gonna just kind of slice him, not all the way through, and just kind of come around the back. And that's when you open it up, you can remove this digestive tract, which people say deveining. So now we have our butterflied shrimp. So let's do our last two here. I'm not cutting all the way through. I'm not cutting all the way down towards the whole tail, but just showing you here. This is how we have it. One more. We'll have them all done. Just take this digestive tract out, and there we have them. Okay, let's make our breading. All right, to my little cake pan here, I'm just gonna crack 2 eggs in here. That one was pretty big. We're gonna add some milk to it. To that, we're gonna add some Cajun seasoning. This is my Cajun seasoning I make. I'll link this down in the description box on Etsy if you'd like to check it out. We're putting all of our seasoning here in our egg wash. Putting some extra salt. My seasoning doesn't have a lot of salt in it, so I always add my extra salt. This is Redmond Real Salt. I do have a discount code in the description box for this if you wanna check that out. We'll give this a little whisk. All right, over here in my other cake pan, I have cracker crumbs. This is just regular saltine crackers. Put them in a Ziploc bag like this, rolled them with a rolling pin, and I've poured half of them in here, and we're gonna save the other half in our bag because as you're breading this shrimp, this kind of gets clumpy, and you might need to throw it out or just add some more crumbs back in. And so I like to save half of them out so that I can refill my bag. So we'll just show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some shrimp in here. And I take the butterfly part and I put it straight down into the cracker. I do have my vegetable oil heating in my cast iron Dutch oven over on the stove top. All right, And so from here, I mean, the inside's already done and we could just go ahead and finish tossing them around. One hand wet, one hand dry. You could also put this in a Ziploc bag if you wanted and toss them in the Ziploc bag. Just making sure you're coating all the sides. This cracker crumbs, because it is saltines, you don't need to add salt, and it just gives it a really crispy texture. Like I said, I don't know where he got this recipe from, if this is a very common thing here in Louisiana, but this is just the way we did it. I've never seen it done like this at a restaurant, so I'm not sure. All right, we'll keep breading these up, and then we'll move over to the stovetop and we will fry some up for us. All right, so here we have our cast iron Dutch oven with our oil heated up. I just made some little french fries real quick. We're gonna put our shrimp in. You don't wanna overcrowd your pan. Shrimp do not take long to cook. So I have a cookie sheet lined here with a cooling rack so that they don't steam on paper towels. Oh, they can stay crunchy. All right. We'll give this a quick taste test before we finish frying. Okay, here they are. Let's get a little taste. It's so hot. They're so good. That cracker, I don't know what it is, but it kind of gives a little bit of a sweetness to it. Although shrimp always have a little sweetness to them also. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very simple to make, but it's just something special to make also. So I hope you give it a try and hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.